Lulu, we have to go in the house, okay? Come on, we've got to go in, okay? All right, time to go in. Come on. Come on. Come on, Lulu. Lulu. Come on. I've been trying to get you to go in the house all day. Do you just want to live outside? Lou. Come on, go in the house. Lou. Do you want to be adopted? Do you want to go live with someone else? You won't have a big yard? Huh? Why are you looking at me like that? Let's go. Come on. You can get a treat. Lou. Get up. Come on. Do I have to use a mean voice? Come on, let's go. We're going in the house. It's time to go in the house. Come on, let's go. Do you see what trouble I have? She won't go in. Oh my gosh. What do I do? What am I supposed to do?